This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a golf club shaft. First, gather your essential tools, including a heat gun, a shaft extractor, and 2-part epoxy. Next, secure the club head in a sturdy vise, ensuring it won't move during the process. Finally, prepare your new shaft by cleaning its tip thoroughly and lightly sanding it to ensure optimal epoxy adhesion. This preparation is crucial for a successful replacement. Now, let's remove the old shaft. Using your heat gun, apply heat evenly around the hosel for about 30 to 60 seconds to soften the epoxy. Once heated, carefully use the shaft extractor to pull the old shaft straight out of the club head. After removal, it's vital to thoroughly clean any remaining epoxy or debris from inside the hosel, ensuring a clean surface for the new shaft. With the hosel clean, it's time to install the new shaft. Carefully mix your 2-part epoxy according to the manufacturer's instructions, paying close attention to the ratios. Apply a thin, even layer of this mixed epoxy to the prepared tip of your new shaft. Then, gently insert the new shaft into the club head's hosel, making sure it's perfectly aligned before the epoxy sets. After installation, allow the epoxy to cure completely for at least 24 hours before using the club. This ensures maximum bond strength. Once cured, you can install a new grip, making sure it's straight and securely attached for optimal feel and performance. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Enjoy your newly reshafted golf club on the course.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.